Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Simply Kewi. Today I am so happy to show that I have been able to do some nail art. So today I have this fun fall magnetic jigsaw style mani. If you like nail art or anything nail art related, please consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. Also click on your notification bell so you know when I upload new content to the channel. So, without further ado, let's get started with this mani. So I hope you enjoyed this one. I really love the way it turned out. I love the style. I love the colors for the fall. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also share it with your polished family and friends. I'll see you in the next video. And remember to allow the mani to take hold and watch the magic appear.